Hello, this is Stacie from Stacie Rabbit Jewelry Designs. Today I'm really excited to share with you my secret stash box for my 50th birthday bead bash on December 14th at 2 p.m. Eastern. Come join us on YouTube to see what myself, Colleen Sinkowitz, Jody Krantz, and Jennifer Miller create. First are a couple of super cool bead strands, and of course the stash box is blue. Everybody who knows me knows that's my favorite color. So there is this really cool, looks like howlite strand with these really chunky beads and some very cool spacers. And then there is two blue glass strands that have four different beads on them, and they're faceted and have a nice bit of sparkle to them. This box is perfect for me because I love all things blue, and I also love cha-cha tassels. So I was super excited when these showed up in the box. This box was also really fitting because I love boho beads, and this one here is really a pretty bead. Look at all of the pearls and rhinestones on here. So sparkly. Speaking of sparkly, there is this very cool faceted blue pendant. And it's got the most beautiful shades of blue kind of caught in there. This box has something for everyone. It even came with a trio of Toho 11 seed beads and Pool Party. These are some really fun shades to work with. I even got a handful of ear wires in this box in silver, which is, of course, my preference. This box also came with a whole pile of these faceted, sparkly, clear rounds, and these will go great with all of the blue beads in this box. My favorite part of this box is the Cookie Monster ice cream mix. This one has been on my list for a long time, and I'm really excited to be able to use it on Sunday. I know I'm tempting fate because once I take these out of the package, it's almost impossible to fit them back in. But I had to open this bead mix. And the thing that I love the most about this bead mix is this super cute popsicle charm. It is way too cute. But this mix has lots of other fun beads in it. So it has the cage beads with the little crystals inside, which are always fun, especially for earrings. There are a couple different drops in different shades. Some are faceted, some are smooth. There are some cool round beads. Actually quite a variety of round beads in here. All different shades. I really like these here that have the stripes on them, and these sparkling ones are also pretty appealing to me. But lots of fun different beads. Of course, some cool silver spacers. Ooh, I love the little diamond balls. Those are always a fun one. So again, perfect bead mix for me. Thank you for joining me, and come and join us on Sunday, December 14th on YouTube. We'll be on both my channel and Jennifer Miller's channel, and you can see what we create with all of these blue beauties. I'd love to have you join me and celebrate my big birthday with me.